Hi, I'm Megan from LJ's Kitchens. I'm here to talk to you about storage solutions specifically for your island. As a designer, we're looking to make you happy, and we can try to make just about anything work. A few things that you can put in an island are deep drawer stacks for pots and pans. We do have some pot and pan pull-outs that go in like a full-size cabinet. We can do lazy Susans, trash cans. Although we try to make anything possible, sometimes we do have to compromise on things that we would put in an island based on the size of the island, the space that we have. Different options with cabinets sometimes does depend on like the location of where we're putting them so that doors and drawers can actually open and function. So we'll work with you to do whatever we can to go ahead and make the island suitable for your kitchen. If you're interested in designing your dream kitchen with a workable island space, please go ahead and reach out to LJ's Kitchens and we'd be happy to help.